see they will be cutting it. Remy Juice will cut it. Biafra Unite will cut it. itiboribor will cut it. All of them will cut it. See, let me tell you, ndị Igbo si na ife agbanaka ejighị enyo ele ya. Anya keji abụọ kachara acha. If you watch any season Biafran who is following this will go and check that person must have a questionable character. But any man who is wise in his ways will always draw a conclusion. You bring things to see. You synthesize the event and so many things you are following and know. This man there that is in Cape Verde or wherever he is, that is the Minister for Information. The Minister for Information never attended declaration. Even the one is claiming he declared on second. I want Amarawa to start talking about it. Because even Minister, I don't know the rights, the grounds Amarawa will stand on to defend their declaration on 7th December 2025 when he never attended anything. The Minister for Communication, and you are there talking. Shame on all of them. God will punish all of them.
Amaro is not talking about it because he don't know where to start to defend it. So he thinks he's not a human being. He's a human being. You understand that if I do not he knows that for a fact.
That is what I'm saying. I am challenging Amarawa as the Minister for Information to start talking about their own declaration. Let him give us the Minister for Information. What happened? How did you people declare? What and this and that and that? That is what I'm looking out for. And finally, Kai, I challenge the Fallback Republic, like you used to call them, to bring Akadi Adama in their cabinet. This thing they are praising, shame to go say or praising Akadi Adama has apologized to okay. I challenge them today. I challenge them again. I challenge them 7 times to bring Akadi Adama in their cabinet. When they do it, I know that they are sincere with what they are doing. They should bring Akadi Adama into their cabinet. I challenge them.
They know what they're doing. I don't think they will do that, but if they do, that means it's a very big mistake for them. Anyway, thank you so much, my brother. God bless you. Thank you for your time. I really appreciate it.
Thank you. Continue your good works.
God
helping us. I pray for Simon about that. Sometimes I say I don't know because of the way this will additional lies. I begin to say I wish he will come out anytime soon because this is the same thing DOS did because DOS knew that Mazen Lamde Kalu is not coming out anytime soon. They were trying to be very fast in causing their damage like these people are doing. They are doing everything possible as if they don't do it now, they will die tomorrow.
Yeah.
But I pray that God will intervene in this matter. I pray that God will intervene. I pray that God will intervene in this matter because the mechanic people
true.
So thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Thank you. So there's our brother there. Very wonderful statement. Biafra one mother. Let me return call to this our brother. On a PTR can like it well. Okay. Hello?
Okay.
Good evening. Lagos.
Before I get started, I don't know when I was
don't make it.
Before I got started, I don't know when I was
I was on cake email.
So much.
Thank you.
Yeah. In the first place, before I go into the master, I wish